Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can download apps to your Motorola Moto G73 5G. For that, you need to go to your Play Store and then we have apps here. We have a For You page, we have top charts, we have apps for kids and different categories. We also have games. We have games for you, we have top charts again, games for kids, events, premium, and different categories. And we also have books. We have ebooks, we have audiobooks, we have genres, we have top selling, new releases, and top for free. And if we go back, we have this search bar right here as well, and we can put in the name of an app. I'm gonna put in WhatsApp, and if you click on that, then you have more information about it here. You have ratings and reviews, and when you're sure to install this app, you can click on install. Then it just takes a couple seconds, and then the app is installed. Installing. And now we can uninstall it here, open it through the button there, or we go back and then WhatsApp pops up here. So you can now go ahead, set it up, use the app however you like it. So that's how you can download apps on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.